Okay. Come down to page number 19. Selfie chant. Come down to page number 19. Selfie chant. Page number 19, second paragraph. So in the last period before unit test, we had been seen that there were only 4 in the garden of the giant. The first was frost, second was north wind, then third was hail, and the fourth one was, who was the fourth one? Snow. Fourth one is snow. There were only these 4 elements in the garden of giant. There was no spring season in the garden because Selfie giant prohibited the children to enter into his garden and to play, and that's why spring season also denied to come to the garden. So now there was the kingdom of only snow and frost, north wind and hail. Hail and ole. So there was winter season. Everywhere there was spring season, but in the garden of giant there was only winter season. And these 4, snow, frost, north wind and hail, there was the kingdom of these 4 elements. Now next, I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming, said the selfie giant, as he sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden. I hope there will be a change in the weather. But the spring never came, nor the summer. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden, but to the giant's garden she gave none. So the giant was just thinking, why there is late? Why did not the spring season and autumn season, spring season and summer season came into his garden? And he hoped that after some time, after some days, there would be also spring season in his garden. Everywhere there was spring season and autumn season. And the autumn season gave ripe fruits to the garden. But winter continued in the garden of giant. The blossom did not come to the trees, and that's why autumn season did not give fruit to the garden of giant. बाकी सभी गार्डन में जायंट के गार्डन को छोड़कर बाकी जो भी गार्डन है वहां पे जो प्लांट्स है या जो ट्रीज है, फ्रूट ट्रीज है, उनमें सभी में फ्रूट आ गए, लेकिन सेल्फी जायंट के गार्डन में अभी भी विंटर सीजन चल रहा था. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden, but to the giant's garden she gave none. He is too selfish, she said. So it was always winter there, and the north wind and the hail and the frost and the snow danced about through the trees. Spring season thought that the giant is very selfish. He is not allowing the children to come into his garden and to play there. And that's why spring season thought that the giant is very selfish. And that's why spring season denied to come to the garden of giant. So there were only 4 elements: snow and frost, north wind and hail. They were dancing in the garden of giant. It means that there was only winter season. Everywhere there was snow and ice. One morning the giant was lying awake in bed when he heard some lovely music. It sounded so sweet to his ears that he thought it must be the king's musicians passing by. It was really only a little linnet singing outside his window. But it was so long since he had heard a bird singing in his garden that it seemed to him to be the most beautiful music in the world. So one day, when Giant was there, he felt that he heard the sound of music, and he thought that the music was so sweet that the king's musician must be playing that music. Actually, there were no king's musician. There was a very small linnet bird, and that linnet bird was singing. That linnet bird was chirping. But since long, Giant had not been heard the chirping of the birds or singing of the birds, and that's why he thought that that chirping or that music was the best or melodious music in the world. Earlier, birds would come there and they would sing the songs, but now Giant denied the children, and that's why bird also denied to come to the garden of Giant. And since long he had not been heard the song of bird. So the singing of that little linnet bird, he felt very melodious. Then the hail stopped dancing over his head, and the north wind ceased roaring, and a delicious perfume came to him through the open casement. I believe the spring has come at last, said the giant, and he jumped out of bed and looked out. तभी अचानक ये जो नॉर्थ विंड है उसने बहना बंद कर दिया, स्नोफॉल बंद हो गया, हेल भी स्टॉप हो गया और एक खुशबू आने लगी जैसे कि स्प्रिंग सीजन में आती है, क्योंकि स्प्रिंग सीजन में ब्लॉसम आता है, स्प्रिंग सीजन में बहर आता है, फ्लावर आते हैं, तो उसकी खुशबू होती है। उसको लगा कि खुशबू आ रही है और उसको लगा कि अचानक उसके गार्डन में कौन सा सीजन आ गया, स्प्रिंग सीजन आ गया। एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही लुक्ड थ्रू द विंडो। He saw a most wonderful sight. Through a little hole in the wall, the children had crept in, and they were sitting in the branches of the trees. In every tree that he could see, there was a little child, and the trees were so glad to have the children back again that they had covered themselves with blossoms and were waving their arms gently above the children's head. When the giant saw out of the window, he saw the wonderful sight. What was the wonderful sight? The children had been crept in through a little hole in the compound, and on every tree there was a child. There was connectivity problem and that's why I was disconnected. Now are you able to listen me? मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when he looked out of the window, he saw the children crept in through a small hole in the compound, and the children sitting on the branches of the trees, and by the entrance of the children, the trees had become very happy, and that's why they bore blossom on them. हर एक पेड़ जो है इतने खुश हुए बच्चे आने के बाद कि उन्होंने अपने ऊपर ब्लॉसम लाया, ब्लॉसम यानी बहर आया, फ्लावर्स आए, हर एक पेड़ के ऊपर एक एक बच्चा बैठा था। There was a child on every tree, and the trees were very happy. The birds were flying about and twittering with delight, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. इतना नहीं, जब ट्रीज के ऊपर ब्लॉसम आया तो बर्ड्स भी वहां पे आए. बर्ड्स आने के बाद जो बर्ड्स है इतने खुश हुए कि चिरपिंग करते हुए ऊपर से उड़ने लगे. जब बर्ड्स आए तो छोटे छोटे जो फ्लावर होते हैं ग्रास में से जो निकलते हैं, उन्होंने भी अपना सर ऊपर किया. They also became very happy by seeing the children. So it means that as soon as the children crept in through the little hole, the season was changed in the garden of the giant. Right? Why did the season change in the garden of the giant? Hello? Why did the season change in the garden of... Hello? Why did the season change in the garden of the giant? What is the reason? Hello? From winter, there came spring season. What is the reason? The reason is very simple. Because the children crept in through a small hole. The children came in the garden of the giant. And as soon as the children came in the garden of the giant, the trees became very happy. They bore the blossom. And when the birds saw the blossom, birds also came. Birds came and they began to fly. They began to chirrup. So in this way, with the arrival of children, the whole atmosphere has been changed. The season has been changed. Initially, there was winter season, and as soon as the children came, there came also spring season. Okay. The birds were flying about and twittering with delight, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. It was a lovely scene. Only in one corner it was still winter. It was the farthest corner of the garden, and in it was standing a little boy. He was so small that he could not reach up to the branches of the trees, and he was wandering all around it, crying bitterly. So everywhere there was spring season, but in one of the corner of the garden there was still winter season. Why there was winter season? Because there was a very small child, and he was not able, and he was not able, and he was not able to climb on the tree. He was not able to climb on the tree, and that's why there was still winter season. On all other trees, the children were climbing on the branches of the trees, and that's why the trees bore spring blossom. But there was one corner of the garden, in that one corner there was still winter season, because there was a small child and he was so small, वो इतना छोटा था कि वो बच्चा उस पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ नहीं सकता था, इसलिए वो उस वहीं पे आजू बाजू में घूम रहा था और रो रहा था. और इसीलिए उस कॉर्नर में अभी भी कौन सा सीजन चल रहा था? इसीलिए उस कॉर्नर में अभी भी कौन सा सीजन चल रहा था? अभी भी उस कॉर्नर में विंटर सीजन ही चल रहा था. आप लोगों का ध्यान नहीं है, जवाब बिल्कुल नहीं देते आप लोग. आंसर देना सीखो बेटा. Climb up, little boy. So the poor tree was still covered with frost and snow, and north wind was blowing and roaring above it. तो उस कॉर्नर में या उस पर्टिकुलर पेड़ के ऊपर, जिस पेड़ के ऊपर बच्चा नहीं बैठा था, वहां पे अभी भी स्नो था, नॉर्थ विंड थी, फ्रॉस्ट था और हेल थे. इन्हीं लोगों का राज था, क्योंकि उस कॉर्नर में पूरा विंटर सीजन ही चल रहा था. crying bitterly. The poor tree was still covered with frost and snow, and the north wind and was blowing and roaring above it. Climb up, little boy, said the tree, and it bent its branches down as low as it could. तो उस पेड़ को बड़ा दया आ गई उस बच्चे की। उन्होंने अपने उस पेड़ ने जो है, ट्री ने जो अपने ब्रांचेस जो है नीचे झुकाए, और उस लड़के को वो ट्री कह रही है, क्लाइम अप लिटिल बॉय, छोटे बच्चे जल्दी से ऊपर चढ़ जाओ। बट द बॉय वॉज टू टाइनी, लेकिन बच्चा जो है बहुत ही छोटा था, इतना छोटा था कि वो ब्रांचेस नीचे आने के बाद भी उसके ऊपर चढ़ नहीं सकता था। And the giant's heart melted as he looked out. How selfish I have been, he said. Now I know why the spring would not come here. I will put that poor little boy on the top of the tree, and then I will knock down the wall, and my garden shall be the children's playground forever and ever. He was really very sorry for what he had done. And when the selfish giant saw this, he came to know about his mistake. He realized his mistake, and he thought that how selfish I was. Now I knew the reason why there is winter season in my garden. Because I denied the children to come into my garden, and that's why still there is winter season in my garden. Now I will go there, and I will help that little boy to climb on the tree. At the same time, I will knock down the walls around my garden, and I will let the children come in my garden. From now onwards, this is not my garden. This is the garden of the children. इस तरह से उसके मन में चेंज आ गया, अचानक उसका मन बदल गया, वो अच्छा आदमी हो गया, अच्छा जायंट बन गया, उसने अपना सेल्फिश नेचर छोड़ दिया। Playground forever and ever. He was really very sorry for what he had done. उसको बड़ा पछतावा हो रहा है अभी कि उसने क्या किया। उसको समझ में आया कि उसके करने की वजह से उसने he did not give the permission to the children to come into his garden, and that's why spring also did not come to his garden. Along with spring, birds also denied to come to his garden. There was winter season, continued winter season in the garden, and when he came to know about this, he was very much repentant on his act. जो उसने किया था उसके ऊपर उसको बड़ा पछतावा हो रहा था। So he crept downstairs and opened the front door quite softly and went out into the garden. But when the children saw him, they were so frightened that they all ran away, and the garden became winter again. लेकिन जैसे वो अपने घर से बाहर निकला और बच्चे ने उसको देखा, तो बच्चे बड़े डर गए। The children frightened of him, they were scared of him, and all the children ran away out of the garden. जैसे ही बच्चे बाहर चले गए, दोबारा वहां पे कौन सा सीजन आ गया? विंटर सीजन। Once again there came winter season. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो जॉब तो दे दी जाओ, जॉब ही नहीं देते आप लोग तो, ना हाँ बोलते हैं ना बोलते हैं। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सुन रहे कि नहीं सुन रहे हैं। ओके, आंसर देना है, यस नो करते रहना है बीच बीच में। ओके,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
जैसे
sir.
बच्चे भाग गए, वहां से कौन सा सीजन निकल गया? उसके गार्डन में से कौन सा सीजन निकल गया जैसे ही बच्चे भाग गए? तो
विंटर सीजन।
ना, विंटर तो कंटिन्यू हो, विंटर तो वापस आ गया, स्प्रिंग सीजन निकल गया।
समर।
नो, स्प्रिंग, वसंत, क्योंकि स्प्रिंग सीजन में ही ट्रीज को ब्लॉसम आता है, बहर आता है, फ्लावर्स आते हैं। बच्चे आए तो ब्लॉसम आया था, स्प्रिंग सीजन आया था, बच्चे जैसे भाग के स्प्रिंग सीजन निकल गया और वहां पे दोबारा विंटर सीजन हो गया। विंटर अगेन। ओनली द लिटिल बॉय डिड नॉट रन, लेकिन वो छोटा बच्चा नहीं भागा। कौन सा छोटा बच्चा? जो चढ़ नहीं पा रहा था, जो रो रहा था, वो नहीं भागा। ओनली द लिटिल बॉय डिड नॉट रन, for his eyes were so full of tears that he did not see the giant coming. क्यों नहीं भागा? Because in his eyes there were tears, and due to the tears in his eyes he could not see the selfish giant coming to him, और इसलिए वो नहीं भागा. उसके आंखों में काफी आंसू थे. आंसू होने के साथ उसकी जो आई साइड है ब्लर हो गई थी, वो देख नहीं पाया. He did not see the giant coming, and the giant stole up behind him and took him gently in his hands and put him up into the tree. उसने giant पीछे से आया, पट से आया, उसको हाथ में पकड़ा, पकड़कर उसको कहाँ पे रख दिया? पेड़ के ऊपर रख दिया. देखो यहाँ पे giant है और एक छोटा सा बच्चा है. दिख रहा है क्या पिक्चर में? पिक्चर में देख पा रहे हो आप? एक बड़ा सा जायंट है और एक छोटा सा बच्चा है. एक ऐसे पकड़ा और उसको कहाँ पे रख दिया? पेड़ के ऊपर रख दिया, बिठा दिया. Behind him and took him gently in his hands and put him up into the tree. And the trees broke at once into blossom, and the birds came and sang on it. And the little boy stretched out his 2 arms and flung them around the giant's neck and kissed him. जैसे उस बच्चे को बिठाया तो तुरंत उस पेड़ के ऊपर जो विंटर सीजन था वो चले गए. उस पेड़ के ऊपर स्प्रिंग सीजन आ गया. उस पेड़ को जो है बहर ब्लॉसम आ गया, फूल आ गए. जैसे फूल आ गए तो बर्ड्स भी आ गए. और बच्चा इतना खुश हुआ, रोना बंद कर दिया. एंड ही एक्सटेंडेड हिज आर्म्स, 2 आर्म्स, एंड ही हग्ड दैट सेल्फिश जायंट. और उसने उस सेल्फिश जायंट को हग किया, गले लगाया. Stretched out his 2 arms and flung them round the giant's neck and kissed him. उसके नेक में उसके दोनों हाथ डाले और उसको किस किया. उस छोटे से बच्चे ने उस जायंट को किस किया, प्यार से किस किया. And the other children, when they saw that the giant was not wicked any longer, came running back, and with them came the spring. जब बाकी बच्चों ने देखा कि जायंट अभी विकेट जायंट नहीं रहा है, सेल्फिश जायंट नहीं है, वो काइंड हो चुका है, दयालु हो चुका है, तो बाकी बच्चे भी आए. और जैसे बच्चा है उनके साथ स्प्रिंग सीजन भी आ गया. It is your garden now, little children, said the giant, and he took a great axe and knocked down the wall. And when the people were going to market at 12 o'clock, they found the giant playing with the children in the most beautiful garden they had ever seen. So, selfish giant was changed now. And he told to the children that from now onward this is your garden. And he took an axe, axe यानी कुल्हाड़ी. axe यानी क्या होता है? कुल्हाड़ी. He took an axe and knocked down the wall. पूरे जो वॉल बनाई थी उसने गार्डन के चारों ओर, वो एक्स ली और उसको तोड़ दिया. जब दोपहर में लोग जो है 12 बजे मार्केट जाने लगे तो उन्होंने देखा कि गार्डन है, गार्डन के चारों ओर जो दीवार बनी थी वो तोड़ दी है. अंदर बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन है. और इतना ही नहीं, तो ये जो सेल्फिश जायंट है, सेल्फिश जायंट वाज प्लेइंग विद द चिल्ड्रन. और लोगों ने इतना अच्छा ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन, सच ए नाइस एंड ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन द पीपल हैड नेवर सीन इन देयर लाइफ. अपने लाइफ में इतना सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन उन्होंने कभी नहीं देखा था. All day long they played, and in the evening they came to the giant to bid him goodbye. But where is your little companion? He said, the boy I put into the tree. The giant loved him the best because he had kissed him. पूरे दिन जो है जायंट और बच्चे खेले. शाम को बच्चे जायंट के पास उसे गुड बाय कहने के लिए आए, लेकिन वो बच्चा मिसिंग था, छोटा बच्चा मिसिंग था. तो जायंट ने पूछा, वेयर इज दैट स्मॉल बॉय? क्योंकि जायंट को वो बच्चा काफी पसंद था, क्योंकि उस बच्चे ने उसको हग किया था, मिठी मारी थी. इतना नहीं तो उसको किस भी किया था. एंड दैट्स व्हाई द जायंट इंक्वायर्ड about that little boy? Where is that little boy? We don't know, answered the children. He has gone away. बच्चों ने कहा कि हमें तो पता नहीं है. Perhaps he might have gone. शायद वो चला गया होगा, कहीं गया होगा. You must tell him to be sure and come tomorrow, said the giant. But the children said that they did not know where he lived and had never seen him before, and the giant felt very sad. तो सेल्फी जाइंट ने कहा कि ठीक है, तुम उसको बताओ कि वो कल आए. लेकिन बच्चों ने कहा कि वी डोंट नो हिम, हमने उसको पहले कभी नहीं देखा था, हम उसका घर कहाँ पे वो जानते भी नहीं हैं. Had never seen him before and the giant felt very sad. जब उसको लगा कि अब वो बच्चा नहीं आएगा तो ये जो giant है he became very sad, बहुत ही दुखी हो गया बेचारा. Every afternoon when school was over, the children came and played with the giant. But the little boy whom the giant loved was never seen again. The giant was very kind to all the children, yet he longed for this his little friend and often spoke of him. How I would like to see him, he used to say. So every day after school, the children would come to the garden of giant, but that little boy was missing. Children would come, they would play, and also giant would also play with them, because now the selfish giant has been totally changed. Now he has become a very kind and generous giant. बहुत ही दयालु जायंट बन गया था. लेकिन वो अपने इस छोटे दोस्त को हमेशा याद रखता था, हमेशा याद करता था कि वो कितना अच्छा था जो एक दिन मेरे गार्डन में आया था. Years went by and the giant grew very old and feeble. अब बहुत साल बीत गए. बहुत साल बीतने के बाद जायंट भी अभी बूढ़ा हो गया और फीबल हो गया, वीक हो गया, कमजोर हो गया. आप अगर पिक्चर में देख पा रहे हो तो देखो अभी ये बूढ़ा हो गया है. ये जो जायंट है वो बूढ़ा हो चुका है और वो वीक भी हो चुका है, कमजोर भी हो चुका है. He could not play about it anymore, so he sat in a huge armchair and watched the children at their games and admired his garden. I have many beautiful flowers, he said, but the children are the most beautiful flowers of all. अब वो बच्चों के साथ खेल नहीं पा रहा था क्योंकि काफी बूढ़ा हो चुका था. वो बैठता था, आर्म चेयर के ऊपर बैठता था, and he would look toward the children playing in the garden. And when he would observe the children, he would think that there are many beautiful flowers in my garden, but the most beautiful flowers are these children. मेरे गार्डन में बहुत सारे ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स हैं, लेकिन सबसे ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स कौन है? ये बच्चे जो मेरे गार्डन में खेल रहे हैं. Okay, let us stop here. Okay, now there is only 2 minutes have been left, so let us discuss कि लास्ट की जो 5 मिनट है we have to spend in. सभी लोग अपना अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लो, वीडियो कैमरा ऑन करो. सभी लोग अपना वीडियो कैमरा ऑन करो. अभी मैं आपके एग्जाम के बारे में बताता हूँ. आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी रिजल्ट मिल चुका है, स्पेशली इंग्लिश का रिजल्ट आपको मिल चुका है. सही है. रिजल्ट कुछ अच्छा तो नहीं है आप लोगों का, कुछ लोगों को तो बहुत कम मार्क्स मिले हैं. अब ऐसा क्यों हुआ है? व्हाट इज द रीजन? मैं बताता हूँ. द रीजन इज दैट योर प्रिपरेशन. आप जो प्रिपरेशन करते हो या ऑनलाइन क्लास में जो आपका ध्यान इधर उधर भटकता है, इसकी वजह से आपको कम मार्क्स मिले हैं. अगर ऐसा ही रहा तो कैसे होगा? क्योंकि पूरे साल भर जो है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ही होने वाले हैं. आपके क्लासेस अभी लगने वाले नहीं हैं, आपके ऑनलाइन ही क्लासेस होंगे, ऑनलाइन ही एग्जाम होगी. अब फर्स्ट टर्म की जो एग्जाम है 5 सितंबर में, अक्टूबर से है, 5 से 15 अक्टूबर के बीच में आपकी फर्स्ट टर्म की एग्जाम हो जाएगी. ओके, नाउ यू मस्ट हैव टू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ. otherwise you will get very low marks. Hello. हाँ, निसर्ग पारगी, सभी लोग अपना अपना ऑडियो ऑन करो, सभी लोग अपना अपना ऑडियो ऑन करो। निसर्ग पारगी पढ़ाई कर रहा है? निसर्ग पारगी पढ़ाई कर रहा है। कितने मार्क्स आए बेटा? 50 50 में से कितने मार्क्स आए इंग्लिश में? निसर्ग पारगी, निसर्ग पारगी,
हाँ सर।
कितने मार्क्स आए बेटा बताओ?
39।
हाँ
39।
39, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। 39 आए तो अच्छा है। दक्ष पटेल कितना मार्क्स आए बेटा?
43।
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। विलचंद भाभोर कितने मार्क्स आए?